Welcome to MooMooMath and Science. In this video, I'd like to talk about the endomembrane system. The endomembrane system consists of organelles that create, modify, and transport proteins and lipids throughout the cell. It consists of the nuclear membrane, rough and smooth ER, the Golgi apparatus, and different types of vesicles. First, ribosomes, which are protein factories of the cell, can be found on the rough ER. These ribosomes create proteins and then transfer these proteins into the ER, where they undergo modifications, such as folding. These modified proteins may be absorbed into the membrane of the ER or packaged into a vesicle that may travel to the Golgi apparatus. The smooth ER may transport lipids to the Golgi apparatus, also using vesicles. A vesicle is a relatively small, membrane-bound, enclosed sac that stores or transports substances. At the Golgi apparatus, the proteins are sorted, packaged, and tagged so that they can travel to the right place inside or out of the cell. The receiving side of the Golgi apparatus is called the cis face. The opposite side is called the trans face. The transport vesicles that formed at the ER travel to the cis face, fuse with it, and empty their contents into the Golgi apparatus. As the proteins and lipids travel through the Golgi apparatus, they undergo further modifications that allow them to be sorted. The most frequent modification is the addition of short chains of sugar molecules. These newly modified proteins and lipids are then tagged. These tags help the proteins arrive at their proper destinations. Finally, the modified and tagged proteins are packaged into vesicles that leave the trans face of the Golgi apparatus. Some of these vesicles deposit their contents into other parts of the cell where they may be used, while others release their contents outside of the cell by diffusing into the cell membrane. So there we go, the endomembrane system. Thanks for watching, and MooMooMath uploads a new math and science video every day. Please subscribe and share.